Chakachino chimbale tie kusukulu, chakachino chimami tie kusukulu.
Thank you so much. This is a partnership announcement where University of Hebron has established a strategic international partnership with 3 academic institutions, namely the Asian Business Research Institute in China, represented by Professor Huang Weijian, who is an expert leading an expert committee of the Jinan University. These are 3 universities which will be working together with the Asian Partner Research Institute and with the University of Hebron. And one of the key issues that will provide a bridge for the Chinese academic exchange and faculty and students' cooperation. And in addition to that, the University of Hebron has also established a partnership with the University of Victoria, Faculty of Education in Canada. This University of Victoria is a public university in Canada, and they have established an MOU with the University of Hebron on issues to do with the governance and the tradition. As we are talking, there are students from Canada that are on the ground. They are in the field doing some research on governance, traditional, and culture. And our relationship is that we will be having exchange, students exchange, but also faculty exchange between the University of Victoria and University of Hebron. We'll be doing together research, we'll be doing together some symposium, some conferences with the University of Victoria. But the key issue that I wanted also to communicate is the relationship that we have signed with the Chinese institution, where we have agreed 6 key areas. The first one is on the exchange, where we'll be exchanging projects, student exchange, but also faculty exchange. The second one is on the looking at the education, where we'll bridge between Chinese and Malawi higher education institutions. The third one, doing together both research in artificial intelligence, to the fact that the Chinese institution will be establishing the School of Artificial Intelligence within the University of Hebron. And they have also developed the curriculum for the program on the Faculty of Artificial Intelligence, and they have already established 9 professors that have been allocated for the teaching of artificial intelligence online from China, but we'll be having some short-term courses, especially when we establish some of the faculties here who will be involved in the running of that artificial intelligence program. This program is a 5-year degree program, undergraduate degree program on artificial intelligence. We'll also be looking at the industry engagement within the Chinese team, but also looking at the innovation and commercialization. They'll be using the platform. The University of Hebron even will be doing the CRS, that's a corporate social responsibility, where the Asian Business Research Institute will be giving us some of the equipment that we are using artificial intelligence to help in, for example, in hospitals, but also other areas that will need services of robots, for example. So it will be through the University of Hebron. So this is a major development that will also put the University of Hebron internationally in terms of its raising its profile, but also in terms of the standard that we are committed as a University of Hebron. So there's a progress. We are working now in the establishing of that faculty. The program is already developed, and our colleagues in China, they are putting things together so that we can roll it up. But we'll begin with some short term when we identify the faculty that will be responsible for that section. And this is what I wanted to to communicate as a partnership announcement for the stakeholders with University of Hebron. We are committed, the premier university, University of Hebron. Welcome.
Chaka chino chimbale, tiye kusukulu. Chaka chino chimami, tiye kusukulu. Tiye usasale.